Oh my god.
I don't think I want to watch.
You don't really want to watch.
Oh my god.
So they've finished one zebra and they're now... Oh no, there's the other zebra.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ooh, they are munching. Ooh.
They sound like dogs.
They do.
The crocodiles.
Hi, my love. We're just watching a zebra
Oh, I
crossing.
see a zebra leg.
Oh my god, do you see that, guys?
Yeah, that is the most messed up thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
So we've seen all 4 legs swallowed now.
Oh my god.
Okay, here the zebras go again.
Why
so
is the
stressful.
baby
There's the
going?
baby.
Why is she going?
There's
Go,
the
here she
baby.
goes.
Go.
Oh no,
Go.
the
Come on,
crocodile's swimming.
come on. You can do it,
Oh
sweetie.
my god, please go.
Come on, go.
Why can't
She's
you
gonna
go?
make it. She's gonna make it.
That's
Clever
the mom, right?
That's the mom. She was switched on. She saw the crocs. She turned round. She went back
Oh, you made
and
it.
then
You
restarted.
made it.
The baby's made it.
Yay! I see the leg in the mouth.
It's scary. Are they the most dangerous out here, would you say?
For the big mammals, yeah. Oh, look at them twisting here. Oh my god, look at that. That's guts.
Oh my god, that's blood! This is nuts.
Look at this one here.
Oh my god, those legs. The legs are upside down. Are they just not going to get the rest of them?
I think they'll probably get away with it.
No, there's...
Yeah, more zebras are going up. Look at all these zebras going up behind us. The blood.
Oh no, they're gonna get it.
Oh shit, oh shit.
It's got away.
Oh, shit.
It's got away. Maybe the next baby.
Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Look at the garden.
He got him.
Oh,
He got him.
oh no.
He got him.
Oh.
He got him. He
No,
got
got
him.
away. Look
This
at these
one.
guys here. Look at them eating it. Here, opposite bank.
I can't watch. Oh, this low one. This one right here is.
Oh,
Oh, go.
Oh no, there's some babies coming.
they can't get the big ones.
This so much. Alright, these crocodiles are munching. Oh, let them eat it.
So you see how they're twisting pieces off?
Yeah.
Oh, there is some zebra. Oh, there's leftover zebra.
Oh no, baby.
Where? Oh, I just missed it.
But there's a baby coming. Oh,
Oh.
Is there a baby coming?
yeah, right there.
Oh, there's a baby in between.
Yeah.
They're hiding them in between. Oh, that baby's.
Oh, there's the baby.
Oh. I don't know why I'm watching my binoculars, but I am. Oh, the baby's dead.
The baby's gone.
They're coming in from both sides now.
Yeah. They got the baby.
Oh,
No,
Nope.
no, baby went right through the middle.
oh,
Oh, they kick him.
Oh, he got him. He got him.
no.
Oh, he didn't.
Look at them twisting here, guys.
They're not getting them. How is this possible?
They will.
Oh, they just went through. Ooh. Look at that! Look at that leg in the mouth.
Yep, look at the leg in the mouth.
Oh,
Oh, the crocodiles. Oh, they keep trying. Oh, that one's gone. No. Oh my God, they're going through it. How is this possible? These are the pussy zebras in the back. They're so nervous. Oh my God, they're going through their mouths, literally. I have a question.
Watch them eating this. This is pretty fascinating here too.
How come they go through the river when there's an open area over there? Oh my God, the zebra legs. Oh my God. Wait, Minnie, I have a question.
Yep.
How come they go this way when there's a path that way?
I'm not sure what you mean.
Like, why do they go through the water when there's like other ways to get there?
Because they need to get to the grass on the other side, basically.
This is all water.
This is the migration.
Oh,
If they don't migrate, they die.
got him.
You got it?
No, no. Got away.
Oh no, got him. Oh
Oh
no.
my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm having a hard time watching this. It's making me so,
Right on his face.
it's making me sad.
You should be sad. If you're not sad, watch this.
Oh my god, I'm like, oh, it's so look at all them watching over here. I'm not kidding. Look, they all are like shaking, freaking out.
Oh my god. Look at the baby. I don't want him to go.
Alright guys, don't watch.
They're all hungry. They're all eating right now, so they're good.
So awful.
Jesus, look at them go.
I hate crocodiles. They're for me.
Look, I'm watching them eat it. The guts.
There's so many zebras.
This is upsetting me, actually.
Andy, is there any chance there's a backpack in the back?
Yeah,
A
I
green
think
backpack. Could you just throw that to me? If it doesn't impede your viewing too much. If it's difficult, then don't worry about it.
I'm so upset. That was so sad.
Sorry.
This one?
Perfect. Yep. Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, that was the craziest thing I've ever experienced.
That's insane.
No, look at all of them on TV. They're fine. They're all hungry.
So they're just floating down with a carcass in their mouths.
So now they're bringing this one down.
Yeah, they're just.
They're going to bring him down to have dessert.
You mean lunch?
They already just had lunch. This is the
These
topper.
Yeah, there's literally a million zebras.
They can't. They have to be full, right?
I'm so confused. Aren't there other ways to get across
No.
this?
Oh, there he is.
Yep. Oi.
Oh!
Oi.
That baby just went through it. Oh, that zebra's like, hell.
Look, they're going back. He's like, I'm not getting involved with this shit.
Look at them.
And the wildebeest coming in.
Oh my god.
This is insane. Wait, what happened to the giraffe we just caught? Did they live? Oh, they're eating it right now. There are so many of them. The wildebeest. The wildebeest and the crocs are now mixed, and the zebra are mixed together, and there's a crocodile right there. Literally in the middle. Oh! So bad.
Did I miss it again? Here comes another croc in.
They went backwards for it. They're literally all running on top of the crocodile.
They're keeping the shit out of the croc.
Oh, oh, oh.
What isn't crossing? Everything.
I even see an antelope or a what's it called? Impala.
Wait, what's the one with the dark
Topi.
stuff on their legs?
Topi.
Oh, Topi. I keep forgetting what they're called.
And he's gonna go get a wildebeest right now.
Wildebeest goes like.
They're probably very yummy. Their meat is probably chewy, right?
The zebras are more safe.
Where did
on
the
other side.
other crocodile go?
I don't know.
Oh, this big one. Oh, I found it. There it is.
What have they done over there?
There's just like a never-ending amount of zebra on wildebeest.
We're not supposed to see this, I don't think.
What do you mean by because we're not supposed to be here for the current migration? The migration is late this year then, right?
You're lucky. I sometimes see zebra cross at this time of year. I've never seen a wildebeest. This late. Look at them twisting with those two zebras.
Oh my god. That baby right there.
One of the
So
crocodiles
little.
just turned around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
see the
he's
little
like,
baby.
it's too-
Oh, come on, baby.
And it's getting pushed down the river.
The baby's going down.
She's having a hard time swimming.
Yeah, I can't swim. I can't
Really
swim.
small.
Why can't somebody
The
help her?
crocodile's letting it go. Oh no, he's like, alright, fuck this.
No shit.
Oh, he's going.
The mom's going to help
Come on,
her.
Mama.
Oh.
Grab her.
Oh my god, this is so
Oh, no.
horrible to watch.
They're protecting her. It's incredible.
It's gonna make it.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna make it. It's gonna get to solid
They're
ground right
protecting her,
now.
though.
Look at that.
They're letting her go.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was
That
amazing.
was so nice. Did you get
Oh,
a
she's
picture?
really baby.
Look at all these zebras coming.
This crocodile's just gonna get some random. It's safe
They're
to
having a
Do you think
hard
it feels
time.
bad?
Wait. Yeah, you got it. Oh, look at the baby. The baby's
figure it out.
the baby's having a hard time getting up the rock.
Another baby.
Shit, you see?
Yeah.
Oh, they got
He
one.
got another baby. He got another baby. He got
You got a baby. Oh, shit.
Oh, the baby's going. Look at it. Look at that. Guys, we need to look in the bush. We're picking up the zebra.
That's pretty awful.
We're picking it up.
She can't get up.
But now the crocodile's satiated, so it's fine.
She can't get
The
up.
baby,
They're
the
gonna-
baby will rest. The baby will rest. They'll get up out of those rocks. But how
Oh my
horrific
god,
for
they
that
got
baby.
another baby.
But they got another baby. That's the worst part.
Oh, honey, watch it happen.
You see the baby trying to bite the croc.
Oh, it's coming out of the water for like breath. Oh. It's still alive.
Look at all these monsters coming up the river.
Wait, it's still alive. This
Yeah, it's
He's
still
like, someone
alive.
help me.
So what is he?
Because there's only one and it's like
Oh, there it goes. Bye. Did the other baby make it out now? They're still trying to get him out. They don't know what to do. The mom's trying to figure it out.
Yeah. She's trying to push him up.
That's-
So come on. He's like,
Look at them going at this one.